Hi everyone, welcome to another tutorial on how to make simple Google Slides for your classroom. Today we're going to be talking about how to make a simple drag and drop addition slide. So this is what we're going to end up with at the end. Okay, a slide we can move things around. The kids can move them to answer the questions, but they can also move the cookies in. So they have 3, they're going to add 4 more to know that then they can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is go into View and Theme Builder so that nothing is getting moved around by the kids when we're in here. Okay, we're going to drag in, because I have it open, cookie jar. To get there, I just went into Insert, searched the web, and found one. Okay, we're going to make it a little bit bigger. Now, I already went over and found these cute little animals in WP Clip Art, and then went into Remove and removed them all and added them to my little numbers and letters collection. You highlight them all. Okay, by that you just click, drag over top of all of them, Command Copy, go back to your slide, and Command V to Velcro them in place. And I'm going to move those in right there. Okay. And the next thing we're going to need is a cookie. So we'll take that out. Transparent cookie. Let's guide this guy in. Now we have a cookie and some numbers. Okay, so we're going to make that a bit smaller so the cookie will fit. Now we also need a title. So we're going to go over to text box, insert our title, drag it over a little bit here. We're going to want that centered. So we go over to our 3 dots, center, and we're going to want to color that in just to make it a little bit nicer. And we will type in drag the items to help you solve the addition problem. Done. Now, what we want to do next is add our shapes in. So we're going to go to Shapes, add one in, make it a little bit smaller, just enough so that those guys can fit in, but it's not taking up the whole screen. You're going to need that 3 times. So we're going to copy, Command C, Command V, Command V. So we have it in there the times necessary. Those lines, those red lines show you that they're all lined up nicely. Those blue lines show you they're evenly spaced apart. Okay, now we're going to go back to Shapes, because this is where we're going to get our equations. We're going to pull in an addition sign, go back again and pull in our equals. Click on there to get it, and we're going to make those fit in. Okay, there's our addition, and there's our equals. Now, those are all in. We're going to make these all a nice color by highlighting them all again and putting in the color behind. Now we want the kids to be able to use the next part. So just to make it quicker, I'm going to highlight this, hold Shift down and highlight my cookie, and Command Copy. And now I'm going to go back out into my regular side, and we're going to Command V. And now they're in there. Okay. We're going to Command V again to add another one. And we're going to just use the little red lines to make it line up evenly. So they're right on top of each other. Okay. And one more time, just so we've got 3 of each number, it gives us some play to move things around. Okay. Now, for the cookies, we're going to want that multiple times. So we're going to copy just the cookie now, Command C, and Velcro 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we're going to then highlight that one, copy, Velcro. So now you've got a whole bunch on top of each other. To make them stack, okay, you go over to Arrange, Align, Center, and then you go Arrange, Align, Middle. Now you have a nice stack of cookies. If you drag it all at once, it goes on top. Okay, now when you're making this slide, all you have to do is say 1 plus 2, and the kids are going to be able to figure that out. You put 1 cookie in there, and the kids are done. You copy this a whole bunch of times, and you Velcro it in a bunch of times, and then you can change the numbers. I hope that was helpful. Have a great day. Bye-bye.